Dito na kami.
No one is spared, not even the wealthiest people. Okay, at ito yung pinakamayamang subdivision sa buong Pilipinas dito sa Forbes Park. Kaya we are protesting here so we can show the people that we do not have to fear anyone, no matter how rich or powerful they may be. Okay, tama? Tama! Tama! Tama mga sabayan!
Mga magnanakaw na politiko dyan! Lumabas na kayo!
Sa loob niyan sa Forbes Park, there are hundreds of billions of stolen funds that we can take back and insert back into our economy. Okay? So this is also a call for justice. Kasi pag nabalik na yan sa ekonomiya natin, we can start allocating those funds into projects that could help improve our country and our economy. We can start building more schools, we can start building more hospitals, everything. Infrastructure projects, education projects, health-related projects, everything once we take what is stolen from us that lies beyond those gates.
Sir, sinong tao po ang nandyan na pinapanawagan niyo po? Sino pong opisyal ng gobyerno?
Nabaltaan ko may bahay dyan si Zaldico at si Martin Romualdez sa loob ng Forbes Park. Kaya yun lang yung target namin. Sinabi ko din sa mga residents sa loob ng Forbes Park na ang plano ko is just for Martin Romualdez and Zaldico. I want to see for myself what they have stolen from the people.
Wala namang paggugulo, sir. Wala naman tayong...
wala yun. We will not open fire. We did not even bring weapons. Hindi ko alam sa iba, pero ang sabi ko sa lahat mga tao ko, no weapons. No weapons. We won't bring any weapons. Baberlin lang kami, di okay lang. Well, the tree of justice, of progress, is nourished by the blood of martyrs. Ganun talaga yun. Minsan, kailangan talaga may mga mamamatay para sa kinabukasan natin. And kung kami yun, that's fine. Because progress cannot be made without sacrifice.
Sir, hanggang kailan kayo magpo-protesta?
Hanggat bumaba.
Or mga 1 hour lang kasi may session pa ako bukas.
Okay.
Sino yung mga kasama?
May malaking marcha, papunta na dito. Pupunta yung mga Pilipino dito. Nagmamarcha na. Senaryo! Hindi ba yan?
May gusto kayong panawagan, sir, sa mga tao? May gusto pa kayong panawagan?
The international community. The international community, the Philippine government, the Filipino people has always removed corrupt officials through peaceful protests. Hindi tayo gagaya sa Nepal, hindi tayo gagaya sa mga nangyayari sa ibang bansa. We will do this peacefully. We will get Marcos to resign peacefully, and this is just the first step. Every day from now on, we will be protesting at various subdivisions, yung mga pinakamayamang subdivision kung saan nakatira yung mga congressman, para makita nila na just as the ordinary people, the poor people are afraid to lose their houses during typhoons and earthquakes, ngayon sila naman yung makakaramdam ng feeling na yung kalaban nila, yung mga naghahanap ng hostisya ay nasa labas na ng mga base.
Pero hindi ba kayo natatakot makapalitan kayo ng gobyerno sa ginagawa?
Okay lang yun, lahat naman tayo mamamatay.
Basta wala lang pa na.
Yan.
Wala lang pa na nakita. Bukas, sa Forbes.
Dito lang daw, walang magkakuan, walang lulusog.
Hindi ko alam, kasi si John Vic nandito din, di ba may mga police siya? Mga 2,000, 3,000
Pero kung nakulong yan, tahimik tayo.
Hindi pa siya lumalabas. I've heard that may headquarters sila doon sa may temporary headquarters sila, pero hindi pa siya lumalabas. If John Vic's watching this, I hope he comes out.
Sir, dati kinampanya niyo si BBM saka. So ngayon, nagsisisi ba kayo na kinampanya niyo siya?
Hindi naman, kasi yung pag kinumpara mo yung mga speech ni BBM noong 2022 at noong 2025, then they're very different people. Kasi pag nakita mo yung mga pinagsasabi ni BBM ngayon, no one could have blamed anyone for believing in him because he actually had a vision of unity and a vision of hope for our future. Now, sobrang dami nang nawala ng tiwala sa kanya. And I think it's time for him to resign.
Sa tingin niyo, sir, bakit nagkaganito?
Maybe he just prioritizes his own interests, his own family's interests over the interests of the people. Maybe he was a good person back then, pero masyado siyang natakot na baka mapatalsik siya ulit. So he tried to collect all the resources for himself so that he will always have power. Hindi natin alam. I can't speak for BBM or in BBM's behalf, but for Marcos, I just hope he starts to understand what the people. So we have different methods, but at the end of the day, what we want is to just get the money of the people back and to imprison those who have.
So gano'ng kalakas yung power, yung force ng other government officials or namumuko kasama or muko against the highest executive head nagpo-protest?
Well, grows every day. We are the one. And hopefully, once they see the potential damage corruption is causing the country, our numbers will grow.
So last na, kita kayo din. The president might be sitting right now or hindi natin lang kung ginagawa na but you're here outside protesting. Anything you want to say from him to him? Yan tayo eh.
Sir, ulit.
Meow meow, start listening to the people, or maybe you won't have the opportunity anymore. It's kasi at the end of the day, you are brought to that position by the people. Once you start considering your family above the family of others, then the people will do the same. They'll start considering the interests of their own families over your family. Okay? Because the people believe in you, and there are still some who do. The question here is now, should they continue believing in you? Could you give a reason for the people to continue believing in you? Kasi maraming mga nangyayari sa kanya. We believed in you, all of us did. We all thought you would make things better, but things are not better. Our economy is collapsing, the peso is rapidly deteriorating, our stock market also crashed, and now we are facing instability in Mindanao. There's a possibility of secession again. What else? Hundreds of billions have been sold, so investors are losing confidence in our government, and there might also be mass resignations soon in the reserves, the military, due to loss of confidence for the government. So it's all Marcos's choice.
Sir, last na sir, ba't yung ginagawa to sir? Bakit yung ginagawa?
Why are you here?
Wala akong ibang magawa today eh. Bored lang, imbis na mag-games na ako sa bahay or at least I am doing something productive. And this is all part of my role as a public official. Kailangan talaga natin labanan ng corruption. And if I cannot fight within Congress due to the lack of numbers, then here where I do have numbers is where I will fight.
Do you have any calls or Filipino citizens regarding yung ginagawa ninyo po ngayon? Do you want them to do the same thing?
Yes, of course. They are doing the same thing. And they will be doing the same thing. We'll have more no money is being returned to our government. Yung kay Ping Lacson, di ba?
Dadala muna, dadala kayo.
We want the trillion stolen back. Okay, hindi lang yung this year.
Alas 5 hanggang gabi.
The whole Marcos administration, ever since the Marcos took office and became Speaker of the House, Doon nag-umpisa lahat, madami na tayong nakita ng 2024 budget and also the very corrupt 2026 budget. As we can see
BBM resign!
as we can see debates, I personally interpret the CEO budget and then
Isara nyo na yung GMA!
well, please,
Wala kami tiwala sa inyo!
as we've also
Hindi,
seen,
lumabas na sila, lumabas na. Okay na.
also against the budget plan. There are plenty of congressmen that are starting to become
Yung boss lang naman lang bayad eh.
of the 2026 budget.
GMA, mukhang kwarta!
Manakaunde tayo.
Malis na.
And will be in the same place next year. That's what I don't want to happen. That's why gusto ko next year, doon ako nasa bahay lang, lalaro lang, or papel na lang, I just want to have a happy life and I prefer not to be protesting next year again. So hopefully the administration starts fixing it. Because for the past few months, we have not seen anything.
Baka gusto nyo i-intervene yung isang mga Pilipino.
Surprise na kasi ano eh. Ang problema pag sinasabi namin, yung mga police nag-ready sila, so gagawin namin mga surprise na pumunta rin doon. It's a surprise. Surprise. Para happy. Kasi hindi naman nila sinasabi pag magnanakaw sila ng pera. Hindi sila nagpapala.
Yaw, yaw!
Kung gusto nila next time, kung gusto nila ng early announcement, sabihin mo na magnanakaw sila at magkano ang nanakaw nila.
Very good.
Kung magkano at kailan sila magnanakaw.
Yes, tama.
Exchange of information.
Oh, yes.
Kasi hindi naman namin sinasabi ko. Hindi naman namin kailangan sabihin kung anong oras kami nag-protest. Pero sila, hindi nila sinasabi kung anong oras sila nagnanakaw. They're stealing
Very
every
good.
time.
Tama.
Very good logic.
Yes, for players.
So, ibig sabihin, dapat ang side nyo Pilipino ha, kasi kung hindi, delikado ha. Delikado. Mag-side kayo, neutral. Ibig sabihin, neutral ha, mag-neutral kayo. Mag-neutral kayo, GMA. Ha? I'm channeling you God. GMA,
Buwaya!
neutral kayo.
Buwaya!
Okay na? May questions pa kayo? Okay, good. Sabahin mo ako.
Nice Nico!
Balik nyo ang pera namin! Hindi kami alis dito!
Balik nyo! Korupsyon! Wakasan na ang korupsyon!
Hey, Kumbasaga! Dumating na ang bayan!
Sa Kongreso! Ibalik ang pera!
Thank you so much, Rob. We love you, Rob. We will support you.
Hoy, mga kababayan! Ngayon ang loyal to check! Pero ang mag-loyal to check! Tayong mamamayan! Oh!
Daming gusto
Pansweldo galing sa tao!
Ito yung Forbes Park, guys.
Magnanakaw, Guardiano! Labas nyo!
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry po.
Iwan natin yan dito! Milyon ang ginagawa dito! Putang ina nyo! Labas nyo!
Babati naman ko.
Marcos resign! Marcos resign! Marcos resign! Marcos resign! Marcos resign! Marcos resign!
Marcos resign! Marcos resign! Labas nyo na yung basura! Na puro pera! Ang laman!
Lumatin!
Lagi paano sa'yo ko?